What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. My name is Sak, and today I have something special for you guys, and it's a horrendous detail. I am doing this intro after the fact because, again, and on top of that, I didn't really record too much of it. It's just more of a before and after, which is a Tesla Model 3 that was apparently somebody lent their vehicle to a family member. They went out partying, the family member and some friends, in this guy's vehicle, in his family member's vehicle. And then from there, it looked like everyone threw up in the vehicle but the driver itself. The whole back seat was filled with throw up and vomit and all this stuff. My wife took care of 90% of the interior because I can't stand that type of job. We obviously layered up. We had 2-3 masks on. We had goggles on, and we took care of the actual detail. It even had some throw up on the outside of the vehicle, which was insane. So we had to wash the outside of the vehicle as well. Obviously, we charged a premium price for that because, again, it's a biohazard, the amount of throw up. And on top of that, he did receive a ozone generator because it smelled horrendous in there. And in order to remove that smell, we have to actually, again, deep clean the interior, remove pretty much every little bit of vomit. There was even like some on the actual window when you open up the window right in between there. So I steam clean, blew that out. And yeah, so that's about it. It's just a disgusting video. I'm gonna keep it short. It's just pretty much a before, after, maybe in between of like the steam cleaning process. But you guys are gonna see a big, huge, drastic difference. Nothing happened, literally, pretty much. It looked like as if nothing ever happened. The smell was reduced to like literally 90% with only like a 4 to 5 hour treatment. And actually we did a 5-hour treatment on it of the ozone generator and pretty much killed the whole smell, the mats and everything. The owner was super excited to see that. What we used for the interior was BioBreak and Flex Ice for the carpets. And then for the actual leather seats, we used All Clean. We also use P&S Express Interior Cleaner. We used a steamer to go ahead and steam and clean all the cracks and crevices. And then from there, inside the steamer, we did add a little bit of rinseless wash from DIY Detail to give that apple scent. And then once all that aired out, we use the DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect to give it that smell and remove the, the nasty smell that was in there. And then even from there, after we did all that, we did the ozone generator, and that was it. That literally brought back the vehicle to life, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this type of content. A lot of people don't even post this type of content, but you could really make a lot of money doing these type of details. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I apologize if the intro's too long, but again, this video is going to be short anyways. It's going to be like 7 minutes long, tops, if anything. And that's including with this intro. So let's go ahead and get started. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I'll talk more about this detail inside, or maybe I'll just, keep quiet and just enjoy the before and after. All right, everyone. So here is the before. I apologize. This is disgusting. But let me clear up a couple of things that, what I said inside the intro. So pretty much for the leather and interior surfaces, we use All Clean. Then we use P&S Express Interior Cleaner. And then once we finish steaming everything off, and we put DIY Detail rinseless to, help clean out the crevices and give that nice apple scent, we did apply the DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect on all interior surfaces, to go ahead and revive the smell of it, and protect and give UV protection onto the plastics, leather, and dashboards and door panels. But yeah, so this is the before. The whole vehicle, as you see, is just absolutely just horrendous. And my wife did do literally 90%. All I really did was the extraction part, wash the exterior of the vehicle, and the carpets, which is like a lot simpler than this. As you can see, I am, using the hose, getting rid of all the carpets. I use All Clean on it and just sprayed out everything. Just made sure I rinsed out everything, and the carpets and mats came out like new. Didn't smell like any more vomit whatsoever. And like I said, I apologize for this intro, but this is pretty much the steps that we use. I literally saturated the whole carpets, the mats, and took out all that vomit and everything that was there. And I did this pretty, again, throughout just everything. Just made sure I deep cleaned everything, agitated first. We had a separate bucket to go ahead and, really agitate these carpet surfaces and make sure we removed it. And then we used BioBreak and Flex Ice and the extractor to extract all of that. That's the BioBreak to help break down all that vomit and all that, gunk and stuff. And then we used the drill brush to go ahead and agitate and remove all that. And then we did, again, about like 3 passes with the extractor to go ahead and ensure we removed every single bit of that smell. The owner did smell the carpets and it didn't smell anymore. And the same thing is that we did put the ozone generator inside the vehicle to go ahead and take care of that. And this is the after result. Quick, simple, as if nothing ever happened. And we used, again, the DIY Detail Interior Clean and Protect to go ahead and add that UV matte protectant. And look at the back or the passenger side. My wife, like I said, took care of about 90% of it. She took out all that bulk, and then I just went ahead and did the steam cleaning on all the cracks and crevices, which is a lot easier than, taking out the bulk of the actual vomit and throw up. And just an amazing turnaround. At this point, the vehicle did smell still a lot like just vomit, even though I'm not going to say from a scale through 1 through 10, we took it from a 10 to like a 5 in this, or a 6 in this scenario, because we removed all that throw up. We, cleaned, steam cleaned and everything. And then we went ahead and did the ozone generator. So that's where we put the vent in there and we ran it for 5 hours. And then with the ozone generator, we took it from literally a 5 or a 6 to like a 2 to a 1, pretty much nothing. The owner was very happy. I hope you guys enjoy this type of content. I know it was short. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I let this run for about 5 hours, and that's it.